I went in to quit, I needed that money. So I wanted to get that deposit back so that I could have that money and go find a new job. And he would not let me quit. He said, hey, I know you've got this presentation down. There's got to be something I can help you with. And so I'll never forget, he writes me a note. On the note, it says, ask for the order, idiot. After that moment, I went and had a 15 sale on Rose Street.
This is a company built around execution, built around people, and built around showing up when it matters most. I'm joined today by Ganesan, co-founder of Blue Chip Maintenance.
Our 4 pillars are, the first one is integrity. That means to me, do the right thing. It's easy to do the easiest thing, but sometimes, the right thing even takes a little bit more work. To me, take shortcuts. That's what kills me. That's what keeps me up at night. As companies scale, what tends to fall apart first, in my opinion, is communication and alignment, because now you have more hands in the bucket. Last year was our toughest year for many different reasons. We made some big investments, but now this year has been a major rebound year. We're experiencing some of the best success we've had.